A long time ago, there lived an elephant named Eddie. Today, I will tell you the story of that Eddie. Eddie the elephant loved his orange engine, marked with a big letter E. One day, he found a colorful Easter egg on the tracks. Who left this here? He wondered. As he chugged along, he met Emma the eagle, who had lost her egg. Eddie happily returned it, and Emma thanked him with a feather as a gift. From that day on, Eddie and Emma became the best of friends, sharing many joyful adventures.